Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0326 refers to a knock sensor malfunction in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. The knock sensor is an essential component of the vehicle's engine management system, designed to detect engine knock or vibrations caused by premature fuel ignition. This information is crucial for the engine control module, ECM, allowing it to adjust the ignition timing and air-fuel mixture accordingly, optimizing engine performance and efficiency. If this sensor fails or malfunctions, it can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and potential engine damage. This code specifically indicates that a problem has been identified in the knock sensor circuit or the sensor itself. The following slides will guide you through diagnosing and resolving this error in detail, ensuring proper function and reliability of your Honda Civic. The knock sensor is a critical component in the engine management system of the Honda Civic. Its primary function is to monitor engine vibrations to detect knock, which occurs when fuel combustion happens too early. Located typically near the engine block or cylinder head, it is essential for the engine control module, ECM, to receive accurate data from the sensor. This data enables the ECM to adjust engine parameters to prevent damage and improve performance. The sensor converts vibrations caused by knocking into electrical signals that the ECM can interpret. If the DTC P0326 is triggered, it indicates that the sensor is not performing as expected, which could lead to inefficient engine operation and potential long-term damage. Verifying that the knock sensor functions correctly is key to maintaining the vehicle's performance and longevity. When facing DTC P0326, multiple potential causes should be considered. A faulty knock sensor is often the primary reason. It may have internal failures that prevent it from operating correctly. Additionally, an incorrect installation of the knock sensor can lead to improper readings, triggering the malfunction code. Wiring issues are another common culprit. Damaged or loose connections between the knock sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM, can disrupt communication and cause the system to fail. Environmental factors such as corrosion on connectors or exposure to extreme temperatures may also contribute to these wiring problems. Understanding these causes allows for an efficient diagnostic process, primarily guided by the principle of eliminating each possible source of malfunction methodically. The presence of DTC P0326 can manifest in various symptoms that indicate a potential problem with the knock sensor or its circuit. Commonly experienced symptoms include noticeable engine performance issues, such as reduced acceleration and unstable engine idle. These symptoms occur because the ECM may not effectively adjust the ignition timing, which can prevent optimal combustion. Poor fuel efficiency is another symptom, as the engine may run less effectively, consuming more fuel to maintain the same power output. Drivers may also observe the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard, which acts as an early warning system to indicate underlying engine issues. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial to avoid further complications and ensure the vehicle operates efficiently. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0326, it's crucial to verify the presence of the problem using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, use the HDS to clear the DTC to ensure any prior errors do not affect the diagnostic process. After the DTC is cleared, turn the vehicle off to perform the next steps. Starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load allows the system to run through its diagnostic checks under controlled conditions. Continuing this process by holding the engine speed at 2,000 RPM or more for at least 5 seconds is vital, as it ensures the system is working efficiently during normal operating conditions. Finally, check for pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS to determine if the initial issue has been rectified or if further diagnosis is needed. In the second troubleshooting step, it's essential to assess the installation of the knock sensor directly. Begin by visually inspecting the knock sensor to ensure it is installed correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. Incorrect installation can lead to malfunction or inaccurate readings. If the knock sensor is found to be correctly installed, it is recommended to replace the knock sensor itself, as it may be defective or have lost its calibration. Conversely, if the sensor is not properly installed, it must be reinstalled correctly to restore its functionality. Tightening any loose bolts or ensuring that the sensor has proper contact with the engine block is crucial during this inspection. Proper installation will help prevent future occurrences of DTC P0326 and ensures optimal engine performance. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0326, it's important to perform a final verification step. Start by test running the engine to ensure all changes have effectively resolved the issue and the knock sensor is functioning as intended. While the engine is running, use the HDS once again to check for any new diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. This diagnostic check will help confirm whether the repair was successful or if further issues persist. It's essential to ensure that no new errors have been triggered, specifically related to the knock sensor or engine management system, which indicates the repair accuracy. Furthermore, consistent operation of the vehicle without triggering DTC P0326 during regular driving conditions signifies a successful resolution of the problem, ensuring that the engine performs efficiently and without risk of damage. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the knock sensor in Honda Civics affected by DTC P0326. Regularly checking the sensor's performance can help catch any potential problems early before they become significant issues. Inspecting wiring connections for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion on a routine basis helps maintain the integrity of the electrical circuit, ensuring effective communication between the sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM. Keeping the sensor housing clean and free from debris ensures that environmental factors do not affect its performance. Additionally, it is advisable to follow the manufacturer's suggested maintenance schedule and use OEM parts during replacements, as these are designed specifically for your vehicle. Overall, these preventive measures will contribute to a smoother running engine and prolong the life of critical components. In conclusion, the DTC P0326 signals a knock sensor malfunction in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021, and understanding its implications is crucial for maintaining engine health. The knock sensor plays a vital role in detecting engine knock and adjusting performance parameters to ensure optimal function. Following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined above is essential for diagnosing the issue accurately, including verifying the fault, examining the sensor installation, and ensuring proper connectivity. Addressing any symptoms promptly can help avert costly repairs and enhance fuel efficiency, ultimately promoting a longer lifespan for the engine. Implementing preventive maintenance measures and regular checks will further enhance the vehicle's reliability, ensuring that it operates smoothly while protecting important engine components from potential damage. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.